So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that we have to solve the following equation in integers x and y. And the equation is x square plus 6xy plus 8y square plus 3x plus 6y is equal to 2. So we solve this equation by factorial method. So you see how we can solve this. So this is our equation. So you just see this part. So you can write in this factor form like x plus 2y multiplied by x plus 4y, and you see this part. From here you can take 3 common and you can write 3 times x plus 2y is equal to 2. Now this term and this term is common, so you can take it out and it will become like x plus 4y is equal to 3 and it is equal to 2. Now 2 is a prime number, so the possibility of this equation in integer solution is like x plus 2y can be 2 and this can be 1, or this can be minus 2, this can be minus 1, this can be 1, this can be 2, or this can be minus 1 and this can be minus 2. So there are 4 possibility and we can solve for all possibility. Like if we solve for first possibility, it will come like this is our first equation, this is our second, so you subtract second from 1. So you do second equation minus first equation, it will become like 2y plus 3 is equal to minus 1, and from here you can get the value of y as minus 2. You substitute y value in this equation, you can get the value of x and it will come like 6. So the first solution is 6 comma minus 2. Let's see other possibility. This can be minus 2, this can be minus 1. You subtract second minus 1, so it will become like 2y plus 3 is equal to 1. So from here you get the y value as minus 1. And if you put the y value as minus 1, you can get the x value as 0. So one solution is 0 comma minus 1. This is one possibility like x plus 2y is equal to 1 and x plus 4y plus 3 is equal to 2. So you solve this, so you get 2y plus 3 is equal to 1. From here you can get the y value as minus 1. If you put y as minus 1, you can get the x value as 3. So the solution is 3 comma minus 1. And other is this is minus 1 or this is minus 2. So you solve this, so you get 2y plus 3 as minus 1. So from here you can get the y value as minus 2. If you put y as minus 2, you can get x value as 3. So it will become like 3 comma minus 2. So in this way we can solve this.